Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to book your COVID-19 vaccination appointment in Ontario. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we know that now in Ontario we have a provincial level portal where you can check the information. You can various health units have their own system as well, but in order to centralize the things they have made this. So the very first thing you need to do on this portal after you go is to put your postal code. So I'm going to put a sample postal code. So I have put the postal code of Nathan Phillips Square in Toronto, a famous place, and let's click on view eligible groups. So drop down appears. See which one of these, these are the allowed groups now, which one of these you fall. Let's say you come here 55 to 59, click on start. So for you can book appointments for the AstraZeneca vaccine through participating pharmacies. So when you click on it, it's going to open another page where you can filter out like where you wanna get it done. Let's say you wanna do it at Etobicoke. Okay, so these are the pharmacies where this is being done. You can contact the pharmacy. They may have an online system as well, and you can book it over there. And they have already mentioned how you can do call or visit their website, so you can do online and over phone also. Similarly, there are other pharmacies also, as you can see. So in this way you can do. Now let's go back, let's scroll up, let's check some other group. Let's say you are 60 years and older, then ask for the health card type. Let's say you have green health card. Start. So now you are getting two options here. You can either book AstraZeneca vaccine at a pharmacy, or you can book at the provincial system, and here you can get Pfizer and Moderna. So in Canada there are 4 vaccines approved till now, and here you can also do by calling call center, but this is not for the pharmacists. Anyway, that's fine. So basically guys, in Canada there are 4 vaccines approved as of today: Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, Pfizer and Moderna. Johnson & Johnson, although is appearing a game changer, it is yet to be arrived. The reason it is appearing as game changer is because it requires just a single dose, regardless, not like 2 as others are offering. So hopefully when it arrives by this month end, as per the earlier information, it may be like something really good, like you give a shot to someone and that's it, you are done. So hopefully this works. So I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening here. So thanks for watching guys.